It's all in our hands, this life of time.
After more than a year of being engaged, kinasal na tayo. After 8 years of being partners in life, humarap na tayo sa Panginoon. 8 wonderful years with so much lessons in between. Ikaw na ang aking naging human diary, life advisor, at lagi nandyan tuwing kailangan ko. Sobrang saya ng puso ko sa tuwing hinahatid sundo mo ako. Dahil doon ko lubos nararamdaman ang iyong pagmamahal, pag-aalaga sa akin.
It's all in our hands. With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all, and with every
Dearly beloved Kevin Louie and Angelica May, you are here today to seal your love with an eternal bond before the church. Kevin Louie, do you take Angelica May, here present, for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Angelica May, do you take Kevin Louie, here present, for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, God, for blessing me a woman like you. A God-fearing woman, responsible, family-oriented, the soon-to-be the mother of my children, my future, and to my palagi.
And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun, but we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one. And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun, and we'll gather here where land meets sea, where we can be as one.
In this new chapter that we are entering, I hope and pray to the Lord that we will continue to grow our love and cherish every second that we spend together. I will try my very best to be a partner that you need. I promise to be always present in times of your sorrows, to act as your strength, and in times of joys, to celebrate every win of your life with you.
Ang kwento nating dalawa ay tungkol sa dalawang tao na hindi mo akalaing sila ang tinadhana. Naalala ko pa noon, nung una tayo nagkita sa school, transfer ka noon, di ba? Hanggang sa magkasama dahil sa same circle of friends na, hindi mo akalain na higit sa pagkakaibigan pala ang mangyayari sa atin. Surprise, mahal ko. I'm giving you this gift as a sign of my promise to capture and collect every moment of life with you. Putik yan.
Kevin, I'm so proud of you. Lagi mong iisipin na proud si ate sa'yo sa kung paano ka ngayon. Lagi mong pipiliin na maging masaya. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo at para kay Jack. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Thank you, I love you.
Love you too.
Misis kong maganda, a picture is worth 1,000 words and memories. Please use this to capture everything that makes you feel the life is worth living. Happy wedding to us. See you at the altar. I love you. I loved you. I love you. I will love you always in all ways. Mr. Mong Guapo.
First, we need to thank God because He is the purpose of everything. He is the reason of everything. It is because of his will that Kevin Louie will be married to Angelica May, and likewise, it is his will that Angelica May will be married to Kevin Louie.
Basta, I'm wishing you all the best. Sana maging masaya kayo and you stay together forever.
Yes, that's the goal. I vow to marry every version and bits of you. I can't wait to conquer and enjoy this journey of married life with you. Cheers to more eternity, Sujo. Mahal na mahal kita.
Kaya heto tayo ngayon, ikinasal na. Kaya si God ang una kong gustong pasalamatan para sa isang napakagandang love story na ginawa niya para sa atin. Sobrang saya ko na ikaw ang binigay sa akin, God. Gaya nga ng sabi ko nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Promise, aalagaan kita palagi. Sasamahan kung saan mo gusto at laging poprotektahan. Misis ko, I love you.